The Voice of the People's Party unveiled its manifesto ahead of the Lok Sabha elections scheduled for the 19th of April 2024. Key points of the manifesto include the party's stance on Article 371, the Uniform Civil Code, the Citizenship Amendment Act or CAA, the Inner Line Permit, and railway development, among others. Highlighted commitments include a focus on promoting transparency, accountability, and efficiency in governance to address the needs and aspirations of the populace effectively. The party pledges to uphold democratic principles, safeguard fundamental rights and freedoms, and maintain secularism while fostering multiculturalism and protecting minority rights nationwide. The key agenda items in the manifesto encompass addressing education issues, resolving matters related to Article 371 and the 6th Schedule, settling border disputes with Assam, advocating for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th Schedule of the Indian Constitution, and advocating for inner line permit implementation. Additionally, the party opposes uranium mining in Meghalaya and advocates against railway lines, particularly in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills region.
Tidak hanya ban yakren ya kajing sencar kabalar kam nanta kesencar pajba kajing bom syak siliang imam salang ke alur ke pulih putih nanta gidon ru alur ke artikel 371 dari lais paknya huwei bak asik schedule dan kimat kibang yakren alur ke polisi penroi yaki tan khaput nanta kajing penmi boarding karep karyang nanta susu ru alur ke mariang hangning gidon ki point A B bat K A B bat K nanta ke point kedon ke B D bat kajing ya kerja khaput bat ke Assam nanta kajing bahak benta serpang dikam kijam kajing kendrai ki drops ke uniform civil code dan ke UCC kakting ketulit ban hangning la ban kedeu sepang kajing perung no kakting kasi aga kene pokrajong ka riti sencha ke India lan ka schedule nanta jika mereka lang di sports nanta ke inner line permit ILP ke Citizenship Amendment Act arja ka kendai dan ke CAA ke bangtip nanta ke dondu alo ke koi ke khia ke dondu kamat abede baki sulok bakilat pathai jingtip nanta ke jaka ling sun jaka yang ling sun ka ba ngitip ke airport nanta ke jing persya yang jingti uranium kajing persya kajing tray kalim tirel akilum kasi Jaintia Hills nanta nakta badan jiduna ki khatmet bat berbudin yang diputarkan ki skim jong kesolka pedeng kini ki kimat ki parti kasasim hak kum ki mang terkam hakdiga election arja afsah disebut.
The position of the party is very clear, and I don't know why the people they create confusion in this. Is it, I would say, intentional confusion, or a real confusion, or whether it's a pretentious confusion, or is it a genuine confusion? We are very clear that the official language of Meghalaya is English, and the associate official languages of Meghalaya are Khasi and Garo. We are very clear with that. And the official languages of India, of the Union, not of India, of the Indian Union. There's a difference between Indian Union and India again here. We shouldn't make a mistake between Indian Union, of the Union, and of India. The official language of the Indian Union are Hindi and English. So we have to be very clear with that. We in Meghalaya, the Voice of the People Party, is against the imposition of one particular language in the state of Meghalaya, which is a non-official language. I hope that is very clear. That, we are very clear with that. We will not allow the imposition, any attempt, whether open, direct, or discreet or indirect imposition. We will not allow that. Ngayon pinanumandang the party jongi ka stress pluralism. Any attempt to dismantle pluralism, we will oppose. Not only here, but even outside also. We will collaborate with the other parties that want to strengthen pluralism, to maintain pluralism in India. We will collaborate with such parties also. But in the Indian Union, it is, it is very clear, according to the Official Languages Act 1963, the official languages of India are English and Hindi. So that it is very clear. Actually, it's a non-issue. With regard to the use of Hindi unofficially in the society, it is up to the people. The people can use. If the people decide to use in the market, who are we to interfere with that? If the people, they want to just, discuss things in Hindi among themselves, who are we to interfere with the private lives of the people? So there's a difference between private and official.